This is a story of two young friends named Shiza and Hira, who lived in the beautiful countryside. They were both devout Muslims and were taught from a young age the importance of cleanliness and hygiene in Islam. The village they resided in was known for its picturesque landscapes and pristine surroundings. One sunny morning, Shiza and Hira were playing near a sparkling stream that flowed through their village. They observed the crystal-clear water gushing over the smooth pebbles. They noticed something disheartening. The air around the stream was littered with trash and debris. This sight greatly troubled their young hearts. Determined to make a difference, Shiza and Hira decided to take matters into their own hands. They knew that cleanliness was an essential part of their faith and believed that by keeping their surroundings clean, they would be serving Almighty and fulfilling their duty as responsible Muslims. Armed with gloves, bags, and brooms, the two young friends embarked on their mission. They began by picking up the litter and putting it into the bags, making sure to separate recyclable items from non-recyclable ones. Their enthusiasm and dedication attracted the attention of other children in the village, who joined in their noble cause. Together, they formed a group called the Cleanliness Champions. Word spread quickly throughout the village, and soon parents, elders, and even the local mosque community became involved in the initiative. The villagers were inspired by the children's determination and embraced the idea of keeping their surroundings clean. The Cleanliness Champions initiated various activities to promote cleanliness and hygiene and organized regular cleaning drives, where they targeted different areas in the village that needed attention. They painted colorful murals on the walls to raise awareness about cleanliness and its significance in Islam. They also conducted workshops and educational sessions, where they shared the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, about cleanliness and its connection to faith. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Cleanliness is half the faith of man. The key to the prayer is cleanliness. Its beginning is takbir, saying Allahu Akbar, and its ending is salam, salutation." Abu Dawud. One of the most important aspects of prayers is that a person should be clean before performing them 5 times a day. Shiza and Hira, now young teenagers, stood tall as they witnessed the positive change their small effort had brought about. They were grateful to Almighty for guiding them on this journey and for the support of their community. They realized that anyone, regardless of age, could make a difference through a sincere intention and a determination to do good. Their story serves as a reminder to us all that even the smallest actions can have a profound impact. By embodying the values of cleanliness and hygiene, we not only enhance our physical well-being but also strengthen our spiritual connection with Almighty. So let us be inspired by the example set by Shiza and Hira, and let cleanliness and purity become a way of life for all of us.